Today I'm going to show you how you can make unique, personalized cup koozies that can be used on cups, soda cans, and also drink bottles. We have some that are really simple with just cutting, and then some that just take one seam all the way around. Either way, they're all really easy and they turn out cute.
My name is Anna, and on this channel you'll learn all kinds of DIY projects, all using socks. So let's get started on this tutorial. You'll need the following supplies. Head on over to funsockcity.com for all your sock needs, including the ones you'll need for this project.
For the most simple option, you can take one of our socks from funsockcity.com. It's called the World's Softest Sock, and the line is the Cozy Crew. And all you have to do is cut a line straight across. You want to do it before it starts getting wider at the heel. So you'll just cut it straight across like that. This is not going to unravel at all, and that's it. You have a personalized cup koozie with just one cut. And if you'd like to, you can make a slightly smaller one by using this section here. And if you wanted, you could even cut that in half and make it into 3. So these are a really super fast and simple way to make a cup koozie with just one cut. For socks that aren't quite as fluffy, there's a different method you can use. I've got these super fun Mountain Dew socks, and you only need one pair to make this cup koozie. You're gonna cut it off just above that heel line.
Take this top cut and lay it on the bottom portion of the sock.
Use it as a measuring tool. You don't need it to be as long. And then we're gonna cut off the toe. And you can discard those pieces. Now for this, we're going to turn this sock wrong side out, and we're gonna slide it over this longer piece, keeping that longer piece right side out. Line up these raw edges, and then using a wide, loose, straight stitch and kind of pulling it tight while you are sewing on your sewing machine, go ahead and sew these raw edges together. The reason you're gonna pull it tight is because then when you let go, it brings it together. And so it maintains that stretch. It can expand from here to there. Once you have that sewn, go ahead and flip this smaller portion to the inside, and that creates a nice finished edge, and you can slide it right onto your can. As you can see, there's something for everybody. We've got the Pepsi lover, the Mountain Dew lover, we've got everything under the sun. If you head on over to funsockcity.com, you'll be able to find all the options to meet the unique wants of anybody that you're making a koozie for. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.